When you're new to wig wearing, there are all kinds of pitfalls. One of them is learning how to deal with different types of wig caps. When I first started wearing wigs, and for the first 3 years, I only wore synthetic wigs, major name brand synthetics. Those all have a different type of lace than human hair, and they don't usually need to be cut, and so they're really easy throw and go. But when you start to delve into human hair, you'll find that most human hair wigs have lace that needs to be cut. And if you don't learn how to cut wigs in the beginning, you can run the risk of cutting them incorrectly, and it makes the wig really hard to wear. That happened with the wig on my head. This is a human hair wig from Flox Hair. I purchased it a few years ago now, and that was before I really knew what I was doing with having to cut the lace on human hair wigs. I cut the lace back too far on this one, and you can see over here, it does not want to lay flat. Now this side lifts as well, but over the past few months, I've been going through all of my old wigs, trying to decide, am I going to figure out how to wear this, or should I just sell it? This one I was hesitant to try to sell because I basically ruined the lace on it. And so I was determined to learn how to make it work. Over the years, I have learned how to use adhesives to make some wigs work. And while I don't want to have to adhere my wigs on a daily basis, on a day like today, it's Mother's Day, we spent the whole day, we went to breakfast, we went shopping, and I spent the day with some of my family, and I knew I wasn't going to be taking my wig off anytime soon. Plus, it was really hot today. I think it got to 86 here in Minnesota, the first really hot day, so I knew I needed a wig that wasn't going to be so hot that I would be miserable. And I remembered I have this pony wig. And the beauty of pony wigs is often the wefts are sewn upside down so that you can wear it in a high pony. Now remember, I've had this wig on for like 10 hours. You can wear any wig in a ponytail, but a pony wig is generally made specifically to be worn in a ponytail, and you can't wear it down. So the only way I could ever wear this wig would be to figure out, what am I going to do about this lace? Now, you can always get lace replaced. There are stylists out there who will repair your wigs and replace the lace. I actually did a live with Jason Archer where we talked about that because he repaired one of my wigs. But that can be really expensive, and so my preference is to learn how to make it work before spending that kind of money. So here's what I did with this one to make it work. So using Ebin spray, there are lots of great adhesives out there. I used to love this one so much, and I decided I would try using it today. So I sprayed the adhesive on my forehead, and I sort of smoothed it out with my finger, and then I laid the lace over it. I held the lace down, and then I sat in front of my fan for about 2 minutes, holding the lace down, letting that adhesive dry. And this is what I got. This is completely adhered. It was no problem all day. I did the same with this side, but tonight, before I decided to make this video, I was about to take my wig off. So I took a little water on a washcloth, I kind of soaked it on here, and then that releases the adhesive. So that's why this side is lifting. It didn't lift all day, but as soon as I did that, I thought, oh man, I should make a video to share with everyone, because if I've had this struggle, I know that maybe you had the same struggle. So the purpose of this video is not to teach you how to adhere your wig. I actually have a video showing how I use Ebin spray. I'll make sure that's linked, but if it would be helpful, the next time I wear this wig, and if I have time, I will show you exactly what I did instead of just describe it. But what I want you to take away from this video, you may have made some mistakes with your wigs, and maybe you have some that you think you ruined and that you can't wear. But I encourage you to think about how you can overcome those and potentially still wear that wig. I really didn't think I would be able to wear this wig anymore, and I absolutely can, and now I know how to do it. It wouldn't be convenient for me to do this if I'm just going to have the wig on for an hour or so, but on a day when I'm going to wear it all day, this is a perfect solution. And a pony wig can really make a difference if you run hot in your wigs. I was hot today, but I was super comfortable, and having all the hair up like this made all the difference. So I just hope that little tips like this will help you on the wig journey so that you don't feel like your mistakes are tragic. They don't have to be. Let me know if you have questions.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.